Hello everybody. Today I am going to discuss about the pentose phosphate pathway, which is also known as HMP shunt. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, enable the notification to get the new videos every day. So, which organs and tissues are involved in HMP shunt? The tissues and organs like liver, adipose tissue, erythrocytes, which are also known as RBC or red blood cell, adrenal gland, which is most important in our body, testis, lactating mammary glands. Just remember this, not the ordinary mammary glands, okay? Only the lactating mammary glands, etc., are very much active in HMP shunt. This pathway basically occurs in the cytoplasm. We know there are different types of cycles in the biochemistry which occurs in our body. Some are very much active in the mitochondrial matrix, but this HMP shunt is very much active in the cytoplasm. This is inactive in the muscle. It's a very important part that HMP shunt is not active in the muscle. Why? Because glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase and 6-phosphogluconate dehydrogenase are deficient in the muscles. Means these two enzymes are not present in the muscle or not adequately present in the muscle. So in the muscle, HMP shunt is inactive. Now, what is this HMP shunt? First of all, let us know that who discovered the HMP shunt. HMP shunt was discovered by M. Calvin, an American biochemist. Now, the hexose monophosphate shunt, also known as pentose phosphate pathway, is an unique pathway used to create the products essential in the body for many reasons. Many reasons means for different types of physiological actions to be completed. It is an alternative pathway of glycolysis. This is a very important line. Please remember, it is an alternative pathway to glycolysis. It is used to produce ribose 5-phosphate and NADPH, which is very important. The abbreviation is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. So, to produce the ribose 5-phosphate and to produce the NADPH, HMP shunt is active in our body. The pentose phosphate pathway is an alternative to glycolysis. It is called HMP shunt because glucose is shunted instead of going through the glycolytic pathway. Okay, so for this reason it is called HMP shunt. Now let's say the pathway. First of all, glucose 6-phosphate is converted into 6-phosphogluconolactone. Now, in this pathway, glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase is the chief enzyme, and NADP is converted into NADPH here, and it is held by Mg2 and Ca2. Now, this 6-phosphogluconolactone is converted into 6-phosphogluconate with the help of the enzyme gluconolactone hydrolase. Water is inserted, or water is very active in this conversion. Next, this 6-phosphogluconate is converted into carbon dioxide with the help of 6-phosphogluconate dehydrogenase. NADP plus again play a very important role, and it produces NADPH plus H plus. And again, there are some catalysts, calcium and magnesium. Now, apart from the carbon dioxide, another one thing is produced, that is ribulose 5-phosphate. Now, this ribulose 5-phosphate with interaction produces xylulose 5-phosphate with the help of the enzyme phosphopentose 3 epimerase. But this ribulose 5-phosphate have much more to do. It produces the ribose 5-phosphate, which is very important in our body, with the help of phosphopentose isomerase. And this ribose 5-phosphate is again converted into arabinose 5-phosphate with the help of the enzyme phosphopentose 2 isomerase. So the ribulose 5-phosphate is converted with the help of the enzyme phosphopentose isomerase, but when the ribose 5-phosphate is converted into arabinose, it uses phosphopentose 2 isomerase. Next, this ribose 5-phosphate can give rise to xylulose 5-phosphate also, and with that it also gives rise to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate with the help of the enzyme trans-ketolase. Now this glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is converted into pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate with the help of trans-aldolase again into fructose 6-phosphate and erythrose 4-phosphate. Now this erythrose 4-phosphate converts into xylulose 5-phosphate, fructose 6-phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate with the help of the enzyme trans-ketolase and with the help of TPP and magnesium. So, thank you very much for your patient listening. Hope you have understood well. If you want to comment something, there is open comment box. Please do that. So long. Bye-bye.